I hear something.
Yeah, well, maybe it just needs some perimeter time.
What even is the perimeter? It really seems to vary.
I get it. Sometimes I hide behind a mask.
Ask of insecurity.
It's not a crime to have feelings.
I'm a maelstrom of emotion.
Everyone back in the hopper!
What is it?
Is there something on the perimeter?
Now!
We can talk about this.
No, you can't, because you'll all be dead.
Okay.